Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Pierce team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Pierce LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are in the process of finishing up painting the floor down here in the basement of this stone foundation renovation project. Everything looks great down here. We were able to get all of the last minute wall painting touched up this morning, and now we have our gray tinted paint getting this floor looking great. So should be done here in just a matter of minutes. This is a very nice result. This is what we try to get all of these projects to look like. Again, just a brief overview of what a stone foundation renovation project entails. We first scrape from the walls all of the loose mortar and debris. We then apply our King Pierce blend of high strength concrete from top to bottom, corner to corner, just fully coating the walls with that new mortar. Once that's dry, we come in here with white waterproofing paint, apply a good coat to that over the walls, and then once that's done, as you can see, we get the gray tinted paint on the floor. So we are just about finished up. We're finishing up in the entryway right now. And yeah, this is a very nice transformation for the project down here in Prairie Village. So for all your foundation and piering needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always check us out on YouTube and Facebook. Just search for King Pierce LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.